Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to For Real, your go-to channel for all things tech. I'm Anna, and today we're diving into a common issue that many Apple users face when your trusty Apple Pencil just doesn't want to charge. Stick around as we unravel the mystery and get that pencil back to work. All right, let's kick things off with the simplest fix: toggling Bluetooth. You know, the Apple Pencil and iPad are like best friends, connected through Bluetooth. Sometimes their friendship needs a little reset to get back on track. Here's what you do. Unlock your iPad and swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. See that Bluetooth icon? Give it a tap to turn it off. Wait for a solid 30 seconds and then tap it again to turn it back on. It's like giving your devices a little kick to wake them up. Now let's talk updates. Just like us, iPads need their beauty sleep in the form of software updates. Keeping your iPad up to date can solve a lot of pesky problems. Open the Settings app, tap on General, and then tap Software Update. If there's an update waiting for you, hit that download and install button. Easy peasy. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to For Real, and drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Sometimes all you need is a good old restart. It's the universal tech fix, right? Let's try it with your iPad. Press and hold the top and volume button until the slide to power off appears. Slide it, and once your iPad is off, wait for 60 seconds. Now press and hold the top button until the Apple logo shines back at you. Magic. Ever thought that a little dirt could be the culprit? Grab some eyeglass wipes and a microfiber cloth and give your Apple Pencil and iPad a good clean. Wipe them down thoroughly and try connecting them again. It's surprising how often this simple step can work wonders. If you're still stuck, it's time to unpair and repair. Think of it as a fresh start for your pencil and iPad. Head to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and find your Apple Pencil. Tap that little I and then forget this device. Restart your iPad, attach the pencil, and wait for the connection prompt to pop up. It's like rekindling an old friendship. If you've tried everything and your Apple Pencil is still being stubborn, it might be time to call in the pros. Reach out to Apple support or visit an Apple Store Genius Bar. They'll check if your pencil is under warranty or if it's time for an upgrade. Remember, sometimes it's just best to get expert help. Thanks for hanging out with us at For Real today. I hope these tips get your Apple Pencil back in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech tips. Until next time, keep exploring and happy drawing.